Love and light from me, Zelda, to you. Mental health. It's about self love. Part 6. On the previous videos, we spoke about stop being an option. Stand up for yourself. Don't lower your standards. Don't be used. Stop allowing you don't ask too much. And today, it's about emotions and feelings. A very topic that can go so wild. But I'm just gonna touch the basics. Stop letting people tell you what to feel, how to feel, or when to feel, or even how to feel towards or react towards your emotions. You are a human. God created us with emotions of love, tenderness. Don't let people tell you. You have the right to be not okay when you're not okay. You have the right to feel happy when you feel happy. You have the right to your own personality, to react towards things the way you experience it. You should feel and deal with your emotions in a situation or about a situation. If you suppress it, been there, done that, or ignore it, it will turn into trauma, or bitterness, or anger over time, or self even hate. Worst part, over time it brings depression, or very much health issues in the long run. Love yourself enough. Really do. To embrace your feelings and your emotions. Whether you're a male, a female, doesn't matter. It doesn't make you less of a man. Remember that, men. It's okay to have feelings. It's okay to have emotions. It's okay to cry. And do the necessary to overcome it. Never feel less worthy just because of your emotions. If people don't respect your feelings or emotions, cut them off. Tell them, like we say in South Africa, food check. Let them go. Don't punish yourself. You are allowed to have your emotions as long as you work through it to heal. And do not let your emotions control your life. That's very important. Don't let fear control your life. Don't let your ego, your pride control your life. Make sure it's balanced. It does not make you less worthy. Cry if you need to cry. Scream outside in the field if you have to. Just never let emotions control the quality of your life. As soon as you keep it in and don't let it out, as soon as you suppress it, it's starting to control your life and you. Let it out. Let it out. It doesn't make you less of a person or a bad person. It makes you real. And you're worth it. You are. Love and light. Cheers. Follow, like and share please to follow this series. Thank you.